Alright, y'all, we are going to run my stun gun Razz. There are 55 spots at $1 a spot. Let's copy our list. Oops, not search it. And go live at 7:08. It's 7:08, rolling to 7:09. Let's paste our list. We have 55 spots. We're going to need a 6 or higher on our dice. Alright, we have an 11, a 6, and a 5. Here we go for the first time at 7:09. After the first time, there are 55 items on the list. Jason is on top. Angelita is on bottom. The dice calls for an 11, so here we go at 7:09. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10th time, there are 55 items still on the list. Melissa is on top. Deborah is on bottom. We've randomized 10 times. The dice, a 6 and a 5, call for an 11. Here we go for the last time at 7:10. Good luck, y'all. Alright, after the last time, spot number 34, Sean McLemore, you are the winner. Congratulations. There were 55 items on our list. We randomized 11 times. The dice, a 6 and 5, does call for an 11. We are done at 7:10. It's 7:10. Congratulations to spot number 34, Sean McLemore.